Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. So, anyway, I hope this comes out okay. I've had some videos that I actually wanted to get up, and I did a video yesterday on Sunday, and in the middle of the video, my camera stopped. Or my phone, is how I do my videos. And it just froze, and it's a brand new phone. So I've been having problems, some technical problems. If you've been watching and you notice the autofocus has been acting up and just it's been getting blurred, and I've had difficulties and I couldn't figure out why. So and I've had problems with freezing up and some stuff with it. So my husband said, well, you need to call technical support or something, call AT&T technical support and see what's going on with your phone. So anyway, I did call when this happened yesterday, and because we couldn't get the phone, it just went black screen, and we couldn't get it to come back on, even trying to charge it, which was already fully charged. So we did call, and the phone was dead. We tried everything. They tried, things with me. It was dead. They said we'd probably have to get a new phone. It was under warranty. It only had the phone 3 or 4 months now. So, which, long story, here we went through a whole bunch of stuff yesterday. Talked to 3 or 4 or 5 people. We had to go to AT&T store, which the first one wasn't there. Then they sent us to one that was there. It was just a mess yesterday. Long story short, they said, while we're sitting at the AT&T store and talking to AT&T representative that got us to the warranty department, they said they would send us to send me a new phone with no charge and all this. I think we do have to pay like $14 and something maybe for some kind of handling fee or something. I don't know. I think that's what the lady said. I can't even remember. At that point, my husband was very aggravated, and I was just stressed and tired. But and then we send the old one back. But I'm hoping it'll be here by Tuesday of this week. At least that's what the AT&T said. The lady at the AT&T shop said. She said that usually gets out pretty quick, because the first lady I talked to over the phone said 6 days, and I was like, what? I can't be without my phone for 6 days. So anyway, praying that it'll get here. So at least I still had my old phone. Now I don't have any way of talking on it, but at least I have Wi-Fi to do some, hopefully the videos will come out and my Instagram on. So I'm going to see how this, I need to hurry up because I don't know how, I know I had problems videoing before on this long one, so I need to really shut up and get on with this video. So anyway, while we were out, I had some stuff to take back to Victoria's Secrets, and I was just going to put it back on my cart. And so the lady said, well, why don't you just exchange it? And I was like, well, okay, yeah, I'll do that. So I was just going to share that, since I couldn't do my video from yesterday, and show you what I got. Boy, there was a lot of young girls there. I felt so old. Everybody getting, their stuff for Valentine's. But I just exchanged, I had some pajamas and things, so I exchanged this night shirt, and I like cotton, so I get so hot at night, so I thought this was cute and comfy. And they had so much stuff with glitter on it. I couldn't believe all the stuff with glitter. And I noticed it wasn't selling very well, so apparently I'm not the only one that doesn't like all that glitter. These were nice and comfy. Even the sales girl, she said she even liked these. So, and I do have, I think, I know at least one pair of these. So I do like these. I prefer the ones that tie and have pockets better. So I didn't get these as big as I would normally get because since there's no way of tying them. So I got those, and then I just had to get switch out a pair of little, I like the thigh highs, and then because the ones with the lace are more like bikinis and I don't like those. And then I had some of that, I've shared with y'all before, the pink, what was it? I shared on another video, it was the black one, the scrub, charcoal scrub, that's what it was. I didn't care for that. I tried that one time. I even think I may have, no, I just tried it the once because it broke me out. It just dried my skin out and kind of broke me out a little bit. So I had to take it back. And so this is what I exchanged it for. And then I had money, of course, left over. And I bought the lotion with the money left over. And I still had a little money left over that I got back. So that was a win-win. But yeah, I got the aloe washes, which is something new. And must have been really good because this was the last set that they had in. So a lot of people must be buying this. So yeah, that's what I exchanged everything for. Because I hadn't even seen this online, really, when I was doing my online shopping. So that was, yeah, everything that I got yesterday. And I had been doing some online shopping. And I put my order through, I think it was last week. And, you know, I almost bought this yesterday, actually. This one, yeah, it was this one. Which they didn't have my size. Then she was going to try and order it, which they were out online too. Glad I didn't get it, because I had ordered it. And I couldn't remember exactly what all I'd ordered. I'd looked at so many different things. I knew I had a pretty big order in. And I had said, well, my order didn't go through because my bill had to be paid. Well, I knew my husband paid for the bill, but I still didn't know if the order was going to go through. Hadn't had a chance to look at my email yet. So apparently, he must have paid my bill done enough to where my order went through. So I was excited about that because this was sitting at the door. It's pouring down rain today. Never. And I have another package, too, I have to share with you from something I won off of Instagram. Never heard the doorbell because, they didn't ring the doorbell. That's why I didn't hear it. But I was very upset that they didn't ring the doorbell. And just left my packages sitting out in the rain because we don't have, like, an awning or anything. So it just, if it rains or snows and they sit it at the door, it's going to get wet. So anyway, this is one of those cute little night shirts, cotton. Got that. And what I like about these, I got everything that'll mix match with all my different little pants. And this one too, love the lavender. And I think I even saw this one too, but it was just the shirt, not the long night shirt. So I'm glad I didn't get that one because I almost got just a little shirt and I opted out on it. So I'm glad. And then here's the pants. Now these look glittery, but they're not. They're just sparkly. They're just real shiny. I was a little worried about that, but I remembered I did have another pair that I had gotten back at Christmas time that were red and pink that had the shiny in it too. And I was a little worried about them. Like I said, everything seems sparkly and glittery, but they're not, like glittery where they come off. So, because it's not on the inside. So, yeah, so I knew those were fine. And these are made like the other ones with the big band and the band at the bottom. So those are fine. And a lot of times if I get hot while I'm sleeping, I take those off. I more or less wear them before I go to bed at night and when I get up, so that's okay. I got this to wear around the house because I'm at home all the time. I need something warm and comfortable, so I got this. My daughter said, boy, that looks really big. Well, I like them to be bigger than smaller because I know they're probably going to end up shrinking when they get washed. And I like it because it had the pockets, so it probably is going to be a little big on me. When I looked at it, it did, but sometimes you get that stuff and it ends up being too small. So it's got ties. I'll tie it. I can wash and dry it. It'll shrink. Because this one, I think, is the same size. And it don't look near as big. So, but it's got pockets too. So, but maybe it's because of the way the legs are. So, I think it's a different style of pants. So I guess that's why. So I'll have to learn at the different type of pants. And know what kind of pants fit on how on me to know. Because I found that out, not just Victoria's Secret, but other places. And then I've just got some more of those little undies. One of these pairs were actually free. These are all the high cut, because I don't like anything else unless I get the I think it's the boy shorts. I used to get, these are the main kind I really like now. I got the little sponge for next Christmas, because it was, I think, $1 maybe, something like that. And then these socks I got, they were in a set together. I was actually bored in Miami, so that's why I picked these. And they were like on clearance, so they were just like maybe $1 or something. They were real cheap. All this was on clearance, so that was a good deal. And actually, the pajamas were all on sale. And actually, their underwear's on sale. And this stuff was all on clearance. So, and I think, actually, this stuff is on sale as well. So, it's probably still on sale. So, anyway, I just wanted to share all that with you. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this now, because I don't want it to be too long, since I am using this old phone here on my camera. So with that being said, I hope y'all like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a very blessed day.